Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you what are the clothes you can get from India to prepare for a Canadian winter. So in many videos you would have seen that don't buy any winter clothing from India, and that's very much true. I don't prefer you to buy any winter jacket or winter boots from India. I'm just sharing the things which you can buy from India to prepare yourself for a winter. In case if you are landing in winter, then that time it will be not a good time for you to go without any preparation. So if you are getting some things from India, then that will help you a lot to do your further shopping as well. So let's start the video. Canada is a beautiful country with all kind of weather in a year. You can see summer, rainy, winter, and even autumn in 1 year. So it is a very beautiful country in these terms. So according to this, you have to prepare your wardrobe. Actually, Canadian winters will vary from place to place, but everywhere almost it will at least reach -5 degrees for a winter. The first in my list is thermal wears. These are something which are very basic in needs when it comes to facing a Canadian winter. So this can be bought online or even in Decathlon. So what I did is I bought my thermal wear, one in online and one more from Decathlon. I got one sleeveless and one with sleeves, full sleeves. According to my dresses, I can wear them. This is one of a must and should have in your to do when you are going to buy for a Canadian winter clothing. So I'll just show you how does it looks. So these are my two. This is the one thing which I bought in online, that is Amazon. This is really good and you doesn't feel anything cold when you are going out. You can buy them from India itself. I buy them from India only. So yeah, this one I buy from Decathlon and it's really good. I just love this cloth, and you believe me, when it was -5, I wore this one, and I wore my jacket above this, and it was really good. It was able to protect you. So this is full sleeves and it really looks good as well on you. So these are the two things you have to buy it. And for men, of course, even you can buy them online. So for my husband also, we buy them online only. So the next in my list, sweaters and jacket. Actually, we didn't buy jacket from India and we regretted it. So in India, for 1,000 rupees you will get a good jacket. But here you have to spend $50 to $80 to get a good jacket. Anyway, I'll put the link in description. You can go and check it out. So again, I'm coming to a sweater. Of course, I'm a big fan of sweater. Of course, I'm very big fan of wet sweaters. Sometimes what I does is, even in summer, I used to wear sweaters. This is a sweater which I had got and it's really good and I love it all the time. So you can buy this in any of the shops like Pantaloons or Gap or anything in India. You can buy them and get it along. If not, you can get them here also. So it depends on your convenience. And coming to some small accessories next, like some thick socks or caps, mufflers, neck warmers, earmuffs and all. I'll just show you the neck warmer now. So we buy this neck warmer from Decathlon again, and it's really good. It's like you can protect your neck even in it's -20 degrees Celsius. So this is one of thing which is helping a lot nowadays, because whenever what happens, your jacket will be there, it's the fur, but still you don't feel like putting zip till here, you feel suffocated. So that time you can just wear it till here and you can wear the neck warmer. So that will go a very good way, keep you warm. One is earmuff. So this one again I buy it online only from Amazon and it's really pretty. If you don't want to spoil your hairstyle and want to keep your ears warm, then this will definitely go good. This one I spent, I think so, somewhere around 300. That's it in India. So if you have a space and if you can get these things along with you, make sure to get these things. So the caps, again, this I bought it from India. This also we bought it from India only. So these are the things which will not take a lot of space in your luggage, so you can definitely get along with you and it will save you a lot of bucks actually. So yes, this is a cap. It really looks very pretty when you wear this. See, I just love this cap. Whenever I go out, I'll just wear this. So moving to the next thing, that is gloves. Definitely you have to get some basic gloves from India. Don't buy any of your winter gloves from India. It's not at all recommended for you to buy from India. So this is a one thing. This I got it from Decathlon, and I saw some pretty looking gloves in Amazon, but unfortunately I was not sure that should I buy it or not. So anyway, I bought the same looking one here, and this I buy here only in Canada. These are the other gloves which I buy in Canada. These are also literally very pretty looking. It goes good with my dresses, but you can't wear this when it's -20. Definitely you need a winter gloves in that time. So now next, coming to your shoes so you can buy any waterproof shoes for your initial days in Canada, but I don't ask you to spend on them because most of the shoes and good brand you can get it for less price in Canada only. So just buy basic need or whatever you have, you can get them, so that will go good. And coming to the thick socks, socks I still don't ask you to buy from India because winter socks here are really very thick. I have not seen in India anywhere so much thick socks, so I prefer you check the socks here only. But coming to the jackets now, so the very important part. So the jackets must and should, one basic jacket you buy from India. It will literally save you a lot of bucks. So these are the jackets which we got from India. So this can aram se sustain -10 degree. So if you layer up, even it can go till -15 as well. So then this we got it from Decathlon. Actually, when we went to the Decathlon, we just asked the salesperson over there, so can you recommend anything which goes for -5 to -10? And luckily we had one, and as I remember, I spent like 6,000 for one jacket. Yeah, that was the thing we spent on. When you fold it, it will become very small one. It was only this much, so you don't have to feel that okay, it is gonna take a lot of the space in my luggage. You can buy them without any hesitation in India. And when you come to Canada, you can buy one which can go till -30. So that in that case, you will have two jackets. Accordingly, you can wear it. -30 jacket is really heavy. My jacket is really heavy. I got it, and soon I'm gonna come with a video on that as well. So yeah, this will help you in some way. I suggest you to get these items if you have a luggage space. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.